Quick beauty hacks you should know. We all want to be and look our best at all times. Who wouldn't, right? But looking good sometimes takes time. If you're one of those people who are always on the go and prefers to do everything real quick and easy, then this video is perfect for you. Hi Muze family, welcome back to our channel. We hope everything is doing great. Now that we are back with another video, we are up to something amazing and helpful that you can use in your daily routine. Have you ever tried to make yourself beautiful and presentable, but you always fail at doing so? Do you get frustrated when you apply makeup or while fixing your hair, that when it fails you have to do it all over again? If so, you don't have to worry about those things anymore, because in this video, we will show you quick beauty hacks that you can try. With these hacks, it will be easier for you to make yourself beautiful even when you are in a hurry. So go ahead and watch this video in full and don't miss out. Number 1. Toothpaste Droplets. You don't have to bring a tube of toothpaste anymore on your next trip because toothpaste droplets are more convenient. To make these droplets, drop a dot of toothpaste in a sheet container. Next, sprinkle baking soda on the droplets. The toothpaste will harden as a reaction to the soda. Once they are hard, you can store the droplets in a small container or jar. Number 2. White nail polish swatches to French tips. If you don't have time to paint your nails or go to the nail spa for French tips, you don't have to worry. Simply swatch white nail polish on your wrist and swatch your nail tips on the polish. Make sure it only colors the tip of the nails and not the entire nails. Number 3. Fake freckles. Some people like to have freckles and anyone would die to have natural freckles. However, you can always get faux freckles in no time. By using a brown eyeliner, put small dots on your cheeks and some parts of your nose. Let the brown eyeliner sit for 10 minutes and then rinse it with water. You will see light brown spots on your face right after, and it does not even look like faux freckles. Number 4. Eyeliner Hack. Are you one of those people who do not know how to put liquid eyeliner on their eyes? Or maybe you don't know how to make the perfect winged eyeliner? Either of the two, this eyeliner hack will come in handy. Don't worry about not making the perfect eyeliner line because you can make a DIY eyeliner brush with your eyeshadow brush sponge. Simply cut the eyeshadow sponge brush into a triangular shape. Then, dip it in your eyeliner and stab it at the tip of your eyelid. From there, you can draw a line and trace it to your eyelids and you will get the perfect winged eyeliner. Amazing, right? Number 5. Matte Lippy Effect. Matte lipsticks tend to be more expensive when bought in the store because it can last for hours compared to glosses. However, you can make all your ordinary lipsticks into matte ones with just tissue paper and powder. To do so, apply a layer of lipstick on your lips. After that, put the tissue on top of your lips and draw another layer of lipstick on it. Once a new layer is made, put powder on top of it. Make sure to do the smooch so the powder will stick to the lipstick. Take off the tissue layer and voila! You now have matte lips and it did not cost you any money. Number 6. Quick Nose Contour. If you're on the go and you want to highlight your nose and facial features but you don't have the time to contour properly, this hack is perfect for you. With the use of an eyebrow pencil, draw a contour on your nose line, under the chin, and beside your lip. Blend the eyebrow line with your fingers and make sure it is well blended. Now, you have a contoured face and you're ready to face whoever you're going to meet. Number 7. Hair hack for frizzy hair. Do you always struggle with frizzy hair even when you're just at home? Is your conditioner not enough? If so, you better try this beauty and hair hack. For this hack, you will need a thermoprotector hair cream, your flat hair iron, and a piece of foil. On damp hair, add a thermoprotector hair cream on your hair strands. Once you've covered all of your hair, put the foil in between your flat iron. Run the iron on your hair and make sure to have all your hair ironed. Comb and let it dry. Once it is completely dry, you'll have silky smooth hair that looks like it's been salon treated. Number 8. Tinted Eyebrows. Tired of doing your brows every day? Why not tint them that will last for weeks? Eyebrow gels can be a thing, but using eyeliners as a tint for your eyebrows are more effective and will even last for a long time. Leave the brown eyeliner tint on your brow for 10 minutes and wipe it after using wet wipes. Number 9. Cover up tan lines. After a long day at the beach, you might see some tan lines marking because of your bikini. If you don't like tan lines, there's a beauty hack for that. In a small bowl, mix a portion of brown coffee and 1 egg. Mix the 2 ingredients together until they form a paste-like texture. Spread the mixture on your tan lines and let it sit for 5 minutes. Rinse it off after. Your tan lines will be gone in an instant because of the brown coffee's color covering it up. Number 10. Yellow Nail Solution. Do you happen to have yellowish nails? If so, this hack is perfect for you. Yellow nails tend to happen because of the exposure our hands get. If you use nail polish more often, it could also be the reason why your nails are turning yellow. However, you don't have to worry about yellow nails anymore because you can heal it back to normal with this hack. All you need is a pack of gelatin and hot water. Put the gelatin powder in a container. Add boiling hot water to it. Mix the 2 ingredients well until gelatin forms into a jello-like texture. Once done, dip your nails into the jello and keep it there for 5 minutes. The yellowish color in your nails will disappear right after. Number 11. Avoid messy mask applications. Applying charcoal face masks can be messy, especially because they come in black color. With this hack, you don't have to worry about cleaning up black residue after you do your skincare routine. In a bowl, add water, some activated charcoal, and a portion of white clay. Mix everything together. Once everything is mixed, get an old container of your Old Spice deodorant or any deo roll. Put the mixture in the deo roll container. Let the mixture dry for a couple of minutes. Instead of applying the mask with your bare hands, you can now just slide the deo roll container on your face and cover it with your charcoal mask. Convenient, isn't it? Number 12. DIY face mask for skin redness. If you happen to experience skin redness, this beauty hack comes in handy. All you need is a chocolate bar, hot water, and 1 egg. Melt the chocolate with the hot water. Once it's melted, add the egg and mix the ingredients all together. Apply the mixture on your face and leave it for about 5 minutes. Rinse the mask off using warm water. The redness in your skin will surely be gone after doing this hack. Number 13. Natural hair dye. Do you want to be more creative and wild? Why not change your hair color into something unique yet fun? If you don't want to use hair colors that contain high chemicals, or you don't want to spend money to get your hair dyed, then this beauty and hair hack is perfect for you. You can use raspberries as a natural hair dye. Simply mash the berries in a resealable bag. Once it looks like a jam, apply it in your hair and leave it for about 10 minutes. Rinse the raspberry off your hair and you now have a pink-colored hair. Bonus tip! Using fruits and vegetables that have strong color can be used as a natural hair dye. Coffee powder is also a natural hair darkening solution for your white and pale hair. Amazing! There you have it, folks! These beauty hacks can certainly come in handy, especially when you're looking for a quicker and faster way to make yourself beautiful. If you think you like this video, don't forget to show us some support by hitting like, share, and subscribe down below. Do you have any thoughts about the same beauty hacks and life hack experience? We would love to hear it from you. Comment down below which ones in this video is your favorite beauty hack. If you want more brilliant videos, you can watch more from us on our channel. Until next time, bye!